GC News, Bima Ovia Aquaba, Hadie latest and hot news in Guanamide, Bremo, Anunti, Swinyan subscriber, Bomodia say over subscribe to the channel. Dobean say over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We answer new video be uploaded. Also, answer ever can be. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, Nafi. Share my offer for Sununya be here since I had the latest and hot news. Guanamide, Bremo. Afriyie share a similar abeto Yapunso. Yeti a yes, I report here about Tuya. It is Sammy.
NAPO eka semi afa says Akufo the party na che enipa bi ani nya yensa akukwa ededa ho when people you go say video ba.
In 2011 around 2 a.m. I was woken up by the security guards of His Excellency the President and Akufo Addo way back in Bolga. When I went to see him, he was alone in the canteen of that famous hotel. We sat down to talk, obviously woken from sleep. And he said some profound things to me that evening. He said, NAPO, Matthew Prempeh, this party, you are the next generation.
Me, I'm not surprised. Events are ever, processes are ever, me, I'm not surprised. Some first, a lot of people are having problems with me. What the heck? Time I will start to say, reanimate. Anytime I'll do my analysis and try to center on the point addiction, and maybe I make sure say I do to them who say, hey, beer, only by the running mate to refer Dr. Mubami, bet me a one. It's empty for you to go from here, sir. We are disgruntled, bitterness, we are peeved.
You are watching Juicy News
on
YouTube.
Oh,
we are disgruntled.
Disgruntled.
They don't look at the input of your message. They don't look at the merits and demerits of the matter. Because we're NPP, or you're NPP, a grano. And instead of the president to come out and say, as some of them okay, let me go deep into the Ripanekan and see if it is true or not. I didn't a pack and unknown and run. Shall my cast and show it means to say, NAPO is not a trustworthy person.
Yeah, NAPO,
I'm telling you. First, now with different notions about Alan. The Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, many years again 3,000% from today.
NAPO, also please President Akufo Addo. What I mean for say President Akufo Addo and Penasem. And what do you mean for? Because a new one as someone NAPO can run. He wasn't talking under duress, Shaibu. We should not even give him a window and allow him to pass through. That's what I make a on. As someone walking, on him said we have TVs. We have cameras, we have tablets, we have internet phone will be out. They are going to capture it, and it is going to be on the internet forever. If the then candidate Nanado in 2011, no percent okay.
Yes,
Biatia.
Yes,
Nanado has spoken on a lot of platform.
Yes,
Kobetimaka.
Yes,
I between wouldn't you know.
Now, Akufo should be many pound Casa Samida.
Many no opposoka.
And I say, Akufo need many pound. And I make us on net trustworthy. Me say, and take it from me, me say, Sans and Akufo to catch them. Akufo is many pound mamika.
Men of Akufo that mature.
I shall go see. Yet, near find to be a cast media for Papaya. Now, something in cry. He should come out to make sure, say, or do official communicate back on the bank in the story. As some Wakano. We a true NPP person, and I catch up a package of complaint for Japan. His ambition to become the president or the flag bearer of the NPP is over.
Are they?
Unless the NPP or more core opposition, and maybe I just want to turn on, so we are quite complaints of the flag bearer as an independent candidate. As some of the park, as a political analyst, I want to break it down for you. Every kind and Akufo was laughing. Come on, Akufo was saying, but he didn't understand the implication of what the man was saying. He didn't know.
Is a party about Akufo Addo the open of the man?
Na part no kan wote. Ti asem no say. Omo kokopie mu tamale. Nyeboa, no nkodu ye no. Ahomache 2 a.m. It is an odd hour. Just na make a 2 a.m. Wo ba be friend ahomache 2 a.m. Means asena no ba be ka no. yase no mudu aware for krampo down na so person mu di nkomo aye as nkomo a eye too serious a I study hwe ahomache ho baabi no na they try to discuss matters tie
because say asem hia no asem akunya ne nipa no aka ache ana asem wo ka ache nipa for the koda
yes
sa to say o kan nipa ni
enti no we say the security of Nana Danko Akufo Addo ti asem die mu ena be nyane na Akufo Addo ewo canteen ana otewo then Akufo Addo called him and Akufo Addo says encho mba be feed the existing the next generation urban ono Akufo Addo person the party ni ja obi a he will feel comfortable with and it's adia o kan nipa Mensah no Dr. Bawumia was the first person and ono na pray the second person the third person he didn't mention it
then Akufo Addo be that neck say what the Bawumia or quad never call no that neck
but the neck pen oka Akufo Addo has betrayed Alan Kyeremanteng and on
no Alan am not necessarily
he has betrayed him per one na point say ti asem bi mu what say and tinye what say Akufo Addo catch and so person feel comfortable so kwa what the party make major obi a ono na Akufo Addo ginidi now in 2007
na party na Akufo Addo bona for property na ono be disturb anya afia kunyo na ono be tell o successor na say nya waja pade
JA Kofo ba bi o bia he is a prophet yes panimu what why you obi hu no we ya kwana sa wo tentin kwa Kofo bia wu
yes panimu sa no ma etwemu a
thank you
na no ma no kusua da de ma se be hwane be de ana be nini a oni
JA Kofo saw it from afar he knew it he said this kind of issue adia ba ko Alan so ya amwo no Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng say whereby he didn't discuss with his people before coming out to say so he's giving his birthright to Akufo Addo
na bi Akufo Addo na duru
and how dem hwe ho chasa make actually be that was one of the biggest mistake of Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng and if you look at Alan was said that be ya sumdwani a hoto be ba no bia wo betimi ato no I'm giving my birthright to refer na Danko Akufo Addo we should not go for a runoff we should not go for second round and he to ye nyai na we refer na Danko Akufo Addo nko now listen to what Akufo Addo told him that day tell me sinipo ni jebro you don't make promises.
Akufo Addo even came to Mensah and told the king say me kwa Alan no ma prayer me kwa na baba so he also lied to the king me say you were part of one with you
from where you are coming from I also get it from what you are saying.
Why do you have to lie to the king?
I get it
so obey say oh na make us say I reconcile before another man now there was this friction between that as Chim and Asante or I'm so true another time and Asante ne echo I'm so checking the Dikaba another so call Asante so call just I say or the unity about no so no or I got a primitive mind be out there sanemo over that than Asante say when you go Alan is coming Alan apa and nana
me say if you are watching the process and events are ever one after the other, the party is now a bona fide property of Nana Danko Akufo Addo Bawumia.
Frank Obe Kai say, and I said on the last me can say, so my ya NAPO asaw be kwa kan ayi manifesto na asem e besa akfa the for asabu
me say na no awo enna o ka say na me nya course no so na wutie wo boss odi e na me so mitie na me so ha say the course o mo man no Christ na me so de bebu asaba ka no
ka to him
asaba ta asama say asama say patch say na no Danko Akufo Addo will never allow the delegates to choose their own leader.
Hot news all
time. Was obia obetimi the party ne jano. Wan kaso obia obetimi the party ne jano whereby the people of the New Patriotic Party likes the person or love the person. Was say or obetimi the party ne jano. You. That is why they will be going for internal elections. Now internal elections, they will ship them all to one line.
Obe keep ministers for 8 years. Montana homunya sika, munya me beten mame.
Me say
young guys homunya juma.
Me say this kind of November 4th election is super delegates no. Woman a 60 years should tell us when NAPO and he knows what he's saying. Tell me, and Allah bet me years so person already the president through the flag branch of the New Patriotic Party and course 90. First, we are not until Alan NAPO has confirmed why Alan should leave the party.
NAPO has justified Alan.
I has confirmed it. Say Allah for free party, you know, it was just a just cause of free party. And I don't just say, Allah met my time to salute me president, or me a flag bearer for the new patriotic party. The shortest way to become the president is through the vice president. Now, if Bawumia is able to win the elections, he will go for 8 years. Mewa, NAPO is willing to become the president too. Mewa, that time, now Papa, if any kid are compared to the number 90 years. And I knew, one number 90. So his presidential admission for now is over. The one NAPO is saying, is over. NAPO now say catches of any Sylvia Berlusconi or buy no more than your cats have a power and can you uncle or so be the president and no more yeah again no man yeah.
But frankly, the Akufo Addo accepted president be there to say when all con the vice ba. Yes. Bawumia also con the vice ba. Ah, to make our Akufo Addo want the vice. Uti. Ali wa ma content Uti. Bawumia if the contest was fair, can Bawumia ko ba we put.
See brofuri you say. For probably of feeling comfortable so bet me the party ne jam. Another. Yeah, no na me wo Austin Ras papaya. If papaya as a see you. Eka say or ko baby. Obi bet me the solid TV jana. Aso can more do.
Yeah.
But problem what?
And the competence.
No, it's not.
Or probably bet me I'm manipulating.
Thank you.
Or probably bet me the da no that be remove.
Thank you.
Na nipa kona ya ne betting.
Thank you.
Meaning it's about if Bawumia become the president, most of the ministerial appointments will be done by President Akufo Addo.
Me say, na pass for Sylvia Berlusconi. Asamoho. He linked it to Kennedy Agyapong. Was a Kennedy near Bresson Copeso be dependent on command no mana. A one was already in Sabo Kennedy. Kennedy has a heart of forgiveness. No, maybe an individualistic behavior will be an idea. But as a political pundit, I'll go into the matter. And then I'm going to be the president. Meaning you have suppressed the will of the delegates. Now make what I say. Meaning you have suppressed the will of the delegates. Every delegates no want to share with CC. Most of them we want to make sure say set me church no be near no be vaccination get dependent women. Na no try kai. And Anam Kojo Kyeremanteng shabu. Bisa who say after all the commitment and dedication and sacrifice and after giving his birthright to Akufo Addo, is this what we have to use to pay? Maybe how? No, I know when they say to me, just because they did piano car. But what my point is saying, as some can too deep. As some can say, extremely deep, don't joke with it.
You are watching Juicy News.
And come here, when you're messing them, and say, Akufo Addo called the letter Babo and Jabe the bank the story. And saying, maybe as one a poor cano, he's trying to separate himself from it as a separate entity. No, a serious society, don't joke with it too. It's a serious matter. Say, my bring a 2 a.m. My catch was a me qua, me perceive the machijan. And I'm from a chain, you perceive the machijanapo. So, meaning, say, come on, and where Yagin could be so. Ask yourselves upon all the ministers about the flagship program of the new patriotic party, why was it given to them? What was our question?
Yeah, the question minister.
Thank you. Why? Because at that material moment, now will be an expert in education. So it means as some papa catcher, he wanted him. This is the flagship.
But they wanted him to connect with the youth.
Thank you. Apart from Sakrano, one person he become a known face, a known figure. This is a flagship program of the new patriotic party. You can never underestimate it. And who lead you become the pinnacle, you become the leader. And Kojo Kyeremanteng. Shabu me baby and Alan would be out and I'm at the answer. Several of them who say be or a coward be, maybe a friend who say be out. As we just straightforward, as Alan that baby in Sanomana. I'm saying this. Alan with my party 100 years.
Where my true seller.
Don't you flag bearer. Penapos assassin.
As also NPP from my Akufo Addo, only party
main council. There are more cars or expanding the electoral college. Our delegates in this uncle for to 2
years our conference.
Amendments in the bio. I say it's a recipe for disaster. Alan is finished. Do you know why? They did empirical research, no say. Now the bank Akufo Addo. One, he's not a trustworthy person for me. And then you make my kind of what to.
And Obia or party more official or presidential ambition.
For now, anybody is a Kojo Kyeremanteng. They are young. Samira, they are young. Whereby they can also rise up. Number 67 to what they are towarding. Because if the NPP win the elections, Bawumia can say we are 4 years or better. Another 4 years or better, making 8. So if Bawumia wins, he will prefer to go to the 8. If Owie 8 now, NAPO will also prefer to become the president. The shortest way is through the vice president. Now he is known. So only person have no. So Net2 is going to be 16 years of these people.
Na NAPO Tiosiano. Akwa Nanado existed. Bawumia from the north.
Yes.
Abba.
Yes.
Abba be Fagbera.
Yes.
NAPO from the
Ashanti blocks.
And so running.
Yes.
So Bawumia existed.
Yes.
NAPO ebe Fagbera.
Yes.
Automatically they have to go to the eastern block for a running meet.
They become a
I'm not they can't go there because Bawumia just existed. Because Bawumia after Ronaldo.
Okay.
They have to go. I don't know.
Greater class or more.
There's what they call. And most of the party they call 3 regions. The eastern region, Dankwa, Buja, and Domo.
Okay. And you know, and you know who was 65 years in the NPP. And yes, I do now when you calculate 16 years plus your years.
Then who said, "What my DBA?"
I started being in 95. So what you say 100. Even them 105. Now your bottom say 105. Say be the president. Joe Biden was 72, 73, 80 something. I don't cry. You see, Yano. I'm quite age. I'm right age. Ghana, more 40 age. So it's an football age. Shabu, it's a serious matter. And I don't understand why NAPO cannot keep quiet.
As a vice president,
why must he see carried away by people?
I think him as a confident.
I'm not some walking in here. Me say, he see carried away by people. Who am I fighting?
I want to please President Akufo Addo because it was being
good. Then I point you to say, yes, here. The emphasis is Franco wants to impress the more for them to say Franco is good. But yes, sir, it exposes you a lot.
I have man accolade video because
yes, sir, it exposes you. Do you know why? The man exposes you when you say always when you go beyond your reach and boundaries. You go outside your jurisdiction. And these are the kind of things that are happening right now. So already the ACC here, NAPO is going outside his jurisdiction, his domain. Look at the kind of things that he's saying. Oh, serious, don't go with it too. NAPO me, Kwaku, said, me bag na Japade book woman. I want to read something to you. It means to say, Japade document, they should not joke with it. It has come to confirm something. And I know if the NAPO canon, it is true, it has come to confirm something. And I know don't joke with it too.
Me say try when you Bawumia on Poalugu purpose than
in the northern part of our country where you come from, and Amono, can you beat your chest and say yeah, yet this signature project in the north? I
think the most important project here in the north since independence, a Opoku Dam project.
Okay.
Is the biggest investment. Say we're drawing books no more since independence.
Okay. As I watch
it. Government DBA ba say Opoku Dam. But we're here as a signature project and in Ebeda #1. So there's no doubt about that. Opoku Dam, no.
Yeah, that is and Bawumia about what Obi studio.
Yes.
Was so and that's what Sabecas on Babe. And say we seem so or Babayan.
I have no doubt in my mind that I was championing the Opoku Dam. We have not yet been able to do it, but by the grace of God, I believe we are going to do the Opoku Dam. It has to be done. It's a major priority because that can bring 20,000 hectares.
Or can say, in 2020.
Yes.
Say, I do my I don't know what's about it.
There was no need for them to even allow him to talk about it.
Why?
It exposes him. It makes him a liar.
So, yes. What the can cocker about kind of campaign. Yes. And my mom food black. Yes. So why must they include it in the manifesto?
And I'm saying it's unnecessary, it's irrelevant. And yes, you expose the man. You put my radio TV show. And now, because I wasn't talking under duress. Was say the one signature project on why on why a signature project. I need this Sunday man say the Palugu Dam no maye.
Palugu multi-purpose dam.
Multi-purpose so say you dam maye. Mebwa.
Master say I phone so one not before one or more to say there is high land area. Me catch say omuni you can say we leave items. Now Marbe spillage bagre dam.
So me catch man can't join me say yet Hana give about between. Bank of Ghana is a $10 million, a $12 million. Sky you cannot account for. Ma catch someone Kwaku Palugu Dam.
Now what's for a guy be or say $1 million went into architectural drawings.
Drawing no more. $1 million.
I don't know say no more drawing heaven.
Me say it was unnecessary about men who couldn't. People label him to be a person who is a liar. In America. Yes, so Bogglanya Bolaya Ghana and about Medini in America. So by men about the catch they say, or sister multi-purpose dam no. Actually, about the chess and Yano Craig. Now, Obashan is a Bank of Ghana for is a $10 million. So I $12 million in full. I could pay more. Basically, they cannot account for any kind of figure they've done. Eh, dear, Moon country will be at. Maybe it is in your manifesto. Maybe I'm a mabon timpo mameka. I'm an highlight it. And one says, can I ready? Moka might be and in Guasiafrio. And you see, Ghanaian politicians who need to Ghanaian politicians. They don't think about the welfare of the ordinary Ghanaian. Me say me kwasi apia ko bupede bia me ka kire wo. Shabu bagada no mu bia on. O bia on dia ya. School dan first school dan.
Kwasi na na before no one say obi am pe be person kwata.
Ope na no ada. Omo say ye statistics. Omo say ope region ba kwa ho che ne commerce one of east Bawumia home region. Okay. Good is. Bagada ni ye bia. A man from no more my now, more livestock in the piano. A fat cold.
Frankly, how insensitive can our leaders be? Say something that could be solved. Now, all catch will be say, Uncle Trap the post because yeah, baby, yet me say, now the post all to 2 not dying. No, we are getting over. Besides, say, what I know would do 120 years. Our test our crew so ye be down walkway. You know where so be one. I crack it why you won in there. And I crowd the bear 3 months. You born in there tamana with them with them. Ye be damn now, a baby far running sooner. This will keep quabonting. I can't find better. And quite so much school. Frankly, Mebo, how do our leaders plan? How do they think? They don't plan. What's about okay? Because frankly, what is on the plan? Ah! Or pim for any meda a wobecano. And also, yes, no. Or pim for any meda wobecano. Any meda wobecao be. May say, any meda yadia beba. Oh, quite and to what be possible say ya a walk out. None what that very focus on beings or north. Konakobe, you see, soon not far for Funa. Tea, that's taking dead bodies. In so a man for to me no. A do baby be a cylinder so demo. Nippon cock that tentasi. Frankly. Holland. Or met testify at the American say. Holland so assassin na ensue. But omit me crock on soon pien sooner echo. Saying soon a bar. Said the more levy be out. Yes. Let me what's my okay could you say? What's my okay? You a courier diaba. A courier said they have good leadership. Just make a channel. They have thinkers. They have good leadership. They have people who think about the welfare and the interest of their people. Ghana politician, he thinks about his selfish interest first at the expense of the national interest. Anonym. Yeah, during the land cruise at the for prime minister already 14 years. The man was riding a bike. As I make you say, also some innovation, a lot of near implement here. Kawe kwa Ghana near Koko can chat Netherlands assassin if I may say. Akufo Addo what did they in at you? What did they in at you? They are preparing his gratia package for him. Me say, I'm my point a man about beauty. Where Nasha Cathedral. Oh, Moyen. And some dear Akufo Addo gratia in the MPs, ministers, gratia, Mufanguri. Mofang, anything. I tell you, I want to block Mofang Fela. Ah, okay, no money is because Shad Ayo. The reason why we joined the queue, the reason why people travel far to go and do voting, you say, they want the politicians to think about their interest and make sure say they think about the welfare of the ordinary Ghanaian. What you be o better platforms aka say o na ba bi e de omana Kwaku do no say the man ND for say I fan NPP do omana Kwaku do
sasa me pesa meti
I fan NPP do omana pa
me say
dura ND say ba be
and na wo hia obi ogbo ahia wo na bisa say date na ogbo ahia wo reason je ogbo ahia wo
yeah Ghana for Franco yo Ghanaians please NPP yeah party the omonko busa ayuma etra position ye ma but adia NPP and Franco so we Ghana so ko to abon ma NPP break 8 ya omo fa Ghana for nya hwe omo muye omo titia so because amamo fo ma ba exhibit a kire ye ni yesa ko to am so to abamo na Franco we are just telling them say Ghanaians we are not serious any badly that be obaba bia na ye be so so na me pass yetimi to ediabufu to aba etia Bawumia na Mahama or Alan enya more than 2 million votes next time leader bia ba media obagine but President Akufo don't over rely on ade awde electoral commission aye no say we appoint MP before when Ghanaians they voted we vote you can't do anything omo to about so ka say omo mpewa say citizens ka omo mpewa na so omo say ko Nigeria tinibu so be catch yourself Bangladesh oba no papa ojanoko
me say shawu look at how this young guy Traore oye Burkina Faso
Kufuor yemba
na no do ma say extend their man 5 years Oma extend their man 5 years do you know why the people love him say adwuma na oye no efe akono he's a young
so again you over 5 years
5 years go and do your checks 5 years he's a young guy yes oye adwuma me I see nothing wrong e bia oye adwuma sa de no be shame Palugu Dam it was irrelevant. And yes, I'm a doctor Mumba in Guasi. Because Mumba Miana Babe catches a multi-purpose signature project. I went on the northern part of Palugu Dam.
Yeah.
It came outside and asked my work and Yano.
Maybe Franco, he was even talking about so bad. He left the tax of it. I am to Franco. I was completely lied because per the IMF IMF oh, bear that it to us on yes, you have for the men's room. If you look at IMF conditionality, sir, Ghana, before say Yako IMF, in terms of tax revenue, it was 15%. Till it 15%. Now IMF form a condition for us to become self-independent, self-reliant. We should get to 24%. Now so what? Now other years we know if you do 17%. So we have additional 7% taxes. I saw the to new ones. To be something to oh, if go and do your checks from 2017 to 2020, ever be 2023. If you look at E-Levy, as a mere 5.8 billion Ghana cedis. Yes, as 8.5 or 5.8. Yes, I get one. And yes, I get oh, but now, but no, Bawumia speaking as if he's an opposition leader. Me say, name some are working. If you are I have issues with it.
Yo, for waiting and someone about beto yeproso. The cow say I hire juicy news. It is so we subscribe ya, but more than say over subscribe to the channel. Now if you want like it, now what share video ama of froso in be now work. Also bet me a chair working Afriyie and some way now a work comment boxing. Obeti Mikabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.